Assalamu alaikum. In this lesson, we will be covering the rule of Laam. We will recap from our previous lesson. We learned there are 7 heavy letters in the Arabic alphabet. The letters Kha, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ghain, Qaf. From the word Khus, Dagh, Tin, Qid. There are 2 exceptions to this rule. The letters Ra and the letter Lam, which only varies for the word Allah. All the other letters are light letters. Now let's have a look at the rule of Lam in the word Allah. We have the word Bismillah, where the Lam is read light in the word Allah. And we have the word Wallah, where the Lam is read heavy in the word Allah. So the question is, why is Bismillah read light and Wallah read heavy? We have to look at the symbol of the letter before the word Allah. If the letter before has a fatha or dhamma, the Lam will be read heavy. But if the letter before has a kasra, the Lam will be read light. So looking at the example of the word Bismillah, we can see the Mim has a kasra before the word Allah, which means the Lam of the word Allah will be read light. The word Wallahu, on the waw there is a fatha, which means the word Allah will be read heavy. For the example Wattaqullah, we will look at the symbol Qaf with the Dhamma. We will ignore the waw and the alif which precedes the word Allah, as we are looking for the letter which has a haraka. So this means we will read the Lam of the word Allah heavy. Wattaqullah. Now here are some words for you to practice. Work out if the Lam is heavy or light. For the first word, Dallahi, there is a fatha before the word Allah, which means the Lam is read heavy. For the second word, Billahi, there is a kasra before the word Allah, which means the Lam will be read light. For the third word, Nasrullah, there is a Dhamma before the word Allah, which means the Lam will be read heavy.